Hey everyone, if your PC is only using 2 CPU cores in Windows 11, it can seriously affect performance. But don't worry, this is usually caused by a simple setting. So let's fix it step by step. Now to start, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and in here type in msconfig and click on OK. And this will open the system configuration window. Now in here you have General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. What you need to do is to head over to Boot, click on it, and what you need to do is to tap on Advanced Options. Now look for number of processors, so it's up here. Now if the box is checked and it's set to number 2, that's the problem. So to fix it, check the box right here if needed and select the maximum number of processors if available. Click on the drop down arrow and select the highest number. So mine is 12, I'm going to click on that. Or better, you can uncheck the box completely. So this is recommended and this allows Windows to use all CPU cores automatically. Now next, click on OK and click on Apply. So close this one, click on the Start menu, click on the Power button, and restart your computer. Now after restarting, right-click on the Start menu, open on Task Manager. Now at the left side, click on Performance right here and go to CPU. So you should now see all cores active instead of just 2. So as you can see right here, logical processors is set to 12 instead of 2, which is good. Now to make sure your CPU runs at full power, you can go ahead to Settings, go to System. Next, head on to Power and Battery. And in here, click on Power Mode under Energy Recommendations and set this to Best Performance. So click on the arrow and click Best Performance. Also for this one, click on Best Performance. Now, it's important to know the Windows normally uses all cores by default, and some apps still won't use all cores, and that's normal. And that's basically it. Your system should now use all CPU cores, improving speed and performance. And that's it. Thanks for watching.